I grabbed this carrot at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by painting the bottom portion in our mandarina, and I'm just hitting the top and not the sides. The top portion, I used our Joshua tree, and I'm using the foam dabbers also from the Dollar Tree. I have this tracing paper. I'm going to use it just so I can balance what I want to draw that's going to fit right onto my carrot. There will be a PDF available. And I'm just drawing out this peekaboo bunny. You're seeing this a little bit more commonly in some of the products you can purchase. So I decided to make one on this particular carrot. I will post the PDF under my video, and it will be free. Then I'm going to take carbon paper and put it under my tracing paper and trace out the bunny onto the piece of wood. I'm going to start by painting the entire bunny in this snow owl. And while you're at the Dollar Tree, you can grab their art brushes as well. Now you can lay your tracing paper back down and then slip your carbon paper back under and re-establish some of the details if you're not seeing them through your white. So now I'm going to take this pink color. I believe this is from Folk Art. I don't really know the name. Our Rocksteady has a similar vibe. Or you can grab paints right at the Dollar General. And I'm just filling in the ears and the nose with the same pink. Then I'm going to take a black Sharpie and I'm going to fill in the eyes. I'm going to trace around the carrot top. Trace around the carrot, having broken lines where my image is. And then I'm going to start tracing out the bunny. Make sure you have a fine point Sharpie pen. I'm going to trace out the nose, the inner ear detail, and then I took my white marker from the Dollar Tree and I made lines and dots just to give interest to my project and to create some highlights. Then I took this Sharpie pen. It's actually a Sharpie paint marker, and it's in like a lime green, and I just made these lines to give some veins to my top greenery. And then I took this little wooden tag and I covered it in brown, but I used the dabber that I already had the mandarina on. And then I'm just going to take a pencil and spell out the word hi. Trace it with my Sharpie pen, and then add a little heart for the dot to my eye. I thickened up my lines the best I could, and then I took my white marker and made some lines and dots and then tied the tag with some jute to the top of my carrot. I created a double bow with my jute. And then I actually took some of the jute and made a hanger in the back. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkatofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkatofancy.com. And as you can see, I made this loop on the back side. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.